hard or anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on! Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I am just, oh, looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Soleil after me. Lumos Soleil. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screw. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Come on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn! And look, she's a mum. Ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see Pixie, Scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts.